guys, welcome to my kitchen. My name's Oliver, and today we're going to take you guys back to the basics. I'm going to show you guys how to cook an egg 8 ways. Alright guys, welcome to part 2 of this video. We're making more eggs today. Egg number 5, we're making scrambled eggs. I know this is really simple and probably most of you guys know how to do it already, but are you doing it right? Are you overcooking the eggs? I'm going to show you guys how to do it properly this time. So with scrambled eggs, we're going to start off on a low medium heat with a lot of olive oil. Then once the pan is heated up, I'm going to pour everything in. And you just want to move the egg around so it gets cooked evenly, and then you want to scramble it. Alright guys, now I just showed you guys how to make scrambled eggs. Still a bit runny. To keep you a good scrambled eggs is not to let it cook, overcook, well, fully cook inside the pan. Because once it's fully cooked inside the pan and you transfer it to your plate, it's going to be overcooked already. So let it be a little bit runny inside the pan and then transfer it, then it's going to be perfectly done. Next egg video, we're making steamed eggs. So with a steamed egg, I'm going to scramble it in this cup. Fill it with just enough volume of water, almost the same volume as an egg. And this part here is going to be filled with water. I'm going to place the cup on here and steam it for 10 minutes. Now the key to steaming an egg is to you have to add just enough water just to double its volume. A sprinkle of salt, a little drizzle of soy sauce, good mix. Now this is something I used to eat when I was a kid back in China. It's a recipe that's made with just one egg and a little bit of water, almost made into a jelly-like texture. And it's a great appetizer for your meal. Next up, we make a cloud egg. Now this is going to be a really beautiful egg coming out of the oven. We're going to separate the white and the yolk, and then we're going to whisk the white until it has a firm peak. Now this is going to be the most labor intensive part. You're going to whisk it, and you're going to whisk it for about like 5-6 minutes. So you guys can see, we are almost there. You can see there's a peak forming, but it's just not holding its shape. So very close. So now you guys can see the peak is forming up and it's holding its shape. So this is when you want to take a spoon. I'm just going to scoop it out onto the parchment paper. Pressing the center down just a little bit. That's where the yolk is going to go. Now these are going to go into the oven, preheated oven 375. And I'm going to bake them for about 5 minutes until they turn a little golden brownish. I'm going to take them out later and then put in the yolk. Now they've gone in the oven for 5 minutes. You can see the edges are starting to crisp up. You can see it's starting to hold its shape. I'm just going to take a yolk. Now these go in the oven again for 4 more minutes. our final recipe. I'm gonna make a frittata with 2 slices of bacon, a whole onion, and some green onion to cut through the grease. Now this is gonna be a heavy breakfast item. As you guys can see, there's a lot of, I'm gonna use 6 eggs in this recipe here. So that's good enough to serve around 4 people, 3 to 4 people. So this is your ideal Sunday breakfast, Sunday brunch item. Let's get to it. Alright, so we're using 2 slices of bacon here. Just gonna cut it into little pieces. We're gonna put these pieces in a cold pan so the fat of the bacon can render out. And then once it's halfway cooked, I'm gonna put in the onion inside. Right, so all this goes into the cold pan. And there we go, guys. Extremely simple, yet it looks amazing. Cut you guys a slice, you guys can see what's going on inside. It's filled with bacon, onion, and eggs. Now thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys learned something just like always. And most importantly, now you guys know how to cook eggs. 8 different ways. 8 different textures, 8 different flavors. So go make some of these recipes at home. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And make sure to tune in for next week. Subscribe for more videos and make sure to click that like button. See you guys in the next video. Bye.